In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube lagging on PC. So first of all, open Chrome. Then in the top right corner, you will see these three dotted lines. Click on it. At the end, you will find Settings. Go to Settings. Then first of all, click on this Privacy and Security in the left menu bar. Here you will find Delete Browsing Data. Click on it. Click on More. Choose All Time. Then click on Delete Data. After that, go to Extensions. See if there are any extensions turned on. If it is, then turn it off. Then let's go back again. Now click on System in the left menu bar. Here you can see Use Graphics Acceleration when available is turned on. Turn it off. Then click on Relaunch. After that, you can go and search up YouTube and it should start working. And if it is still not working, what you can do is go to your home screen. Then go to the Settings. Go under General and then click on Software Update. If there is any update available, make sure you update your PC to the latest version. The last fix that you can try is to click on this Apple icon at the top of the screen in the left side. Here you will find Force Quit. Click on it. Now you can quit all the recent apps that you are not using. Click on Force Quit. Now this will clear all the RAM that might be lagging your Mac. Or you could simply switch between Safari or Chrome. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.